In this video, I'll show you how to improve AI video quality in Kling AI and get cleaner, more realistic results. First, start with a clear idea of the video you want to create. A well-defined concept makes it easier to write a focused prompt and avoid unnecessary instructions. When creating a video, use a high-quality source image if you're working with image to video. Make sure the image is clear, sharp, and has a well-defined subject. Next, improve your prompt. Clearly describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. Avoid vague descriptions and focus on the details that matter. For realistic results, describe natural movement. Instead of asking for several complicated actions at once, focus on one main action and keep the motion controlled. Camera movement can also affect the overall quality. Use smooth instructions such as a slow push-in, steady tracking shot, gentle pan, or controlled zoom. Lighting is another important factor. Depending on your scene, you can describe natural daylight, soft studio lighting, cinematic shadows, or realistic evening light. After generating the video, preview it carefully. Check the subject's face, hands, body movement, background, camera motion, and overall consistency. If you notice a problem, don't change everything at once. Identify the specific issue and modify the related part of your prompt. For example, if the character movement looks unnatural, simplify the movement instruction. If the camera is too fast, ask for a slower and smoother camera movement. You can also generate multiple versions and compare them. Small changes to your prompt can sometimes produce noticeably different results. For longer projects, create several short clips and combine them during editing.